Pablo Colleges journeys through the first Octamonths celebration of Virtus. We are called to live out compassion in action, especially through the corporal works of mercy. For the month of March 2025, we proudly present our featured activity, Wrap in Love, a community clothing and care initiative by the SPC Graduate School. Wrap in Love is more than just a clothing drive. It is a powerful expression of what it means to clothe the naked, to care, to restore dignity, and to build bonds across generations. This initiative brings together SPCians and the greater community to nurture both the young and the elderly with something as simple yet meaningful as clothing and love. With the help of generous donations and passionate volunteers, the Master of Arts in Nursing Fellows serve the residents of Tahanan ng Inang Maria ng Guadalupe. The MBA and DBA Fellows engage with the residents of Nazareth, Bahay Pag-ibig. And the MA and EDD Fellows bonded with the residents of St. Martin de Porres Kids Home. Through this outreach activity, the donors and the volunteers were able to provide essential clothing, jackets, pants, shoes, and more, encourage community engagement and volunteerism led by our graduate fellows, promote dignity and empowerment through personalized care and attention, and foster intergenerational bonding with moments shared between orphans and elders. Through Wrap in Love, we clothe more than bodies. We touch hearts. Let this month remind us that Virtus is not just about character, but about kindness in motion. Because in the end, the truest fabric that binds us all is love.